We're having a little bimble today. Where are we going today, Helen?
Well, possibly Hungry Low, but if we don't make it that far, we're going to Echo Crags.
Echo Crags, I've heard that before, haven't you? Oh. We've left the car parked on the A68 over there, as you can probably just see in the distance. Well, I'll see you in a bit. Suddenly he's very intrigued.
Isn't it? Just nice like sun, not too bright, nice and warm.
How's it going?
Hot.
A lot steeper than I thought it would be.
Got 45 minutes to find camp.
Okay. On we go! Onward and upwards. There's the sun. Not set just yet, but it's on his way. Yaxi poops, come on, Baba. Oh. Steep hill this way. Oh. Should see the shortcut is even steeper. You can see it's a bit of a warm walk up that hill, but we're at the top of it now. Absolutely beautiful location. You can see the sun's a bit bright really, isn't it? It's really nice. However, it looks like we may have some neighbours if we stay here, so I think we may go a little bit further on and head off down to Echo Crags. But it's looking canny. Well, we finally made it to Echo Crags. Just left the backpacks over the back there. We're trying to decide whether we're better off down there or better off where we've left them. There's a nice view down there of the loch. Welcome to Wild Camping Part 2, or Part 2.5. The last one didn't go that well. We ended up going back home early. So we've had a little bimble out Echo Crags. You can see them behind me, quite nice. And the sunset's coming down. And who we got here? We got Stud and Helen. And guess what we found? You can get wine in a can.
Stick with a gin and tonic.
It's really ropey, but yeah, it's a bit fun, it is. And here we go again, the sun is starting to come down. As you can probably just see there. We'll get a few pictures and we'll catch up with you later. Bye! you got?
I'm having ploughman's.
Ploughman's lunch. Portion it?
A ploughman's lunch.
Ploughman's and a G&T.
G&T, of course.
That'll be a P later
What's
then.
a posh snobble? Oh, soggy sandwich. Soggy sandwich.
Looking good. Actually, the sky's not bad round there.
That's right.
Not bad sandwich at all. And what have I got? Should we have a look?
I've been robbed.
Bacon.
Little face came
And
out.
chicken. I like chicken. It's my camping sandwich chicken. We decided to go sandwiches this time. The picnic was a bit too much last time. Far too much. Ugh. What's that for a sky behind you?
Hey.
Oh, hiya. Well, things are getting desperate. I've got the kettle going down there. Helen's on the coffee. She was thinking of another go, but she's down to her last can. And unfortunately, I've had to go to Jack Daniels and Coke. Hey. It's a lovely night. Sun's still in the area. And we're hoping to get a few stars later on, hopefully. And these two silly buggers are eating whatever they can find. It's worrying. We're finding bits of sheep and everything. Are you eating sheep or root? What are you eating? Yes, leave. What was it? Jax, get off. right first, looking good, yes. Well, that's the first, well, another wild camp. Jesse slept really well last night in his little sleeping bag, very much appreciated. Jaxie wasn't that pleased because she didn't have a sleeping bag. Helen was very pleased, we had a lovely sunset.
Yeah.
We were a bit noisy, and all the camp's packed away, it's all tidy the way we found it, apart from some sheep poop. Which you can't help some sheep poop, can you? Well, see you back down the bottom. Bye.